You're watching Cape Fear Today. I'm Jessica Kirk and I'm here with Guy Williams from Wilmington Plastic Surgery. Now, Wilmington Plastic Surgery is the longest standing plastic surgery center here in Wilmington. Give us a little bit about the background of Wilmington Plastic Surgery.
Well, Wilmington Plastic Surgery was formed in 1981. We started with one location over by the hospital. We've now grown to 4 locations. We have our surgical office by the hospital. We have our aesthetic clinic and day spa over in the landfall area. We have an office in Jacksonville and an office in Whiteville. We have 4 board certified surgeons currently with us. Dr. White did his medical training at Bowman Gray at Wake Forest. Then he went on to the Mayo Clinic where he did his plastic surgery residency. Dr. Kays did his medical training in South Carolina, the Medical University of South Carolina. Then he went on to Georgetown University for his plastic surgery training. Dr. Church went to the University of West Virginia for med school, and then he did his training and residency at Ohio State. And then the newest member of the practice, Mark Morgan, went to Bowman Gray also and went to the Mayo or Cleveland Clinic for his plastic surgery residency.
So you have a number of highly trained physicians working at Wilmington Plastic Surgery. What are some of the services that they provide, both cosmetic and reconstructive?
Well, there's a great deal of services we do. We like to say we have many tools in the toolbox, so to speak, from reconstruction services to aesthetic plastic surgery to non-invasive procedures as well.
Now, what are some of the reconstructive procedures?
We do a lot of breast cancer remediation. Last year we performed over 5,000 surgeries as a practice. Over 400 of those were breast reconstructions. We're very happy to partner with the American Society of Plastic Surgery for a bra day in October, which is a celebration of reconstructive procedures for women. We also do some skin cancer remediation as well as wound repair and other things of that nature.
Now let's talk about the cosmetic side. What services do you provide for people cosmetically?
Well, we offer breast reductions and enlargements, as well as on the facial side we do blepharoplasties, which are getting rid of skin underneath and above the eyes to make you have a more youthful appearance. We do full facelifts as well. We have trauma patients that we see sometimes from the hospital. We do a great deal of body contouring, which may involve tummy tucks, which a full tummy tuck is going to get rid of the skin around your abdomen, tighten the muscles, give you a lot leaner appearance. And we also do a paniculectomy, which is just getting rid of the skin for people that have lost a bunch of weight. We also offer liposuction procedures as well as less invasive laser liposuction, which sometimes is done without anesthesia.
Okay.
And then the ever popular, which all the buzz today is cool sculpting, which is a non-invasive fat reduction procedure which is done in the spa office on a regular basis.
Now let's talk a little bit more about cool sculpting. How does cool sculpting work?
Cool sculpting targets areas of fat and it freezes them, and then the fat's eliminated over time through the body. It's not an immediate result, but it happens over time, typically 60 to 90 days. And I think probably the best way to do is let's listen to Dr. Church talk about the procedure.
Okay, well here's Dr. Church.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Church with Wilmington Plastic Surgery. I'd like to talk to you about the Cool Sculpt system. It's a new technology that we have here at Wilmington Plastic Surgery. It's a non-invasive, non-surgical way to help body contouring. We did our research on this project. We asked the rep to bring it to us, and I had to be the guinea pig. I had a small little roll just above the belt line, and I was the first person in our office to be treated with it. The best candidate has an isolated area of excess fat. If we can physically feel that fat, isolate that fat, that's the fat we can get rid of. It doesn't work well for someone that has a lot of fat all the way around or fat in their legs or excess fat elsewhere. Over time, typically 2 to 6 months, those fat cells will be absorbed by your body and eliminated. It doesn't make the fat go somewhere else. It doesn't make you gain weight somewhere else, but it definitely can improve your contours. It takes about an hour. It's not a painful procedure at all. Afterwards, you have a little bit of numbness in the skin. It's a little bit sensitive, but there are no binders, there's no recovery, there's no downtime at all with it. After a month or 2, I can definitely tell you it works. The little muffin top that I had is gone, and it still gets better every day. It's used best for muffin tops, the little roll over your belt, the love handles, or the flanks. It's a great non-invasive, non-surgical procedure for the right patient.
Do you exercise, eat right, and still have bulges that refuse to budge? Talk to the body contouring experts at Wilmington Plastic Surgery, the most established plastic surgery practice in the region. Wilmington Plastic Surgery is now offering Cool Sculpting, a revolutionary non-invasive procedure that removes stubborn pockets of fat such as love handles and muffin tops. The body gradually eliminates the fat, so best results are visible 3 to 4 months later, just in time for bathing suit season. Call Wilmington Plastic Surgery for a consultation today.
So now that we know a little bit more about Cool Sculpting, who are good candidates for Cool Sculpting?
Well, good candidates are ones we like to say with real squishy fat. If it's real hard, it's not going to get up in the device that well. And it's not for someone that has a great deal to accomplish. Sometimes that's better treated with a tummy tuck. But if you have someone that's just been working out a lot and can't get rid of that little pooch or the little muffin tops, typically a perfect candidate for that.
So if you have somebody who, or if you yourself are overweight, you've got a number of different ways that you can help these people move forward with losing that weight.
That's right. Cool Sculpting is not a cure-all, catch-all for everybody, but we do have the ability to go in with liposuction, whether it's laser-assisted or traditional liposuction or tummy tucks or other modalities, try to help you trim and sculpt that waistline to get what you want.
So we've talked a lot about the different services that you have at Wilmington Plastic Surgery. Go through those again so we can talk to our viewers about who might be candidates for what different service.
Well, there's basically not any part of the body that we can't treat and try to help you achieve the result you're looking for, whether it be a facial procedure, either minimally invasive or a full facelift, moving on down to breast enhancement or reduction, or sometimes even just building some symmetry. And then we can go to the body procedures as well, and then skin cancer and other types of cancer remediation. We're kind of a full service aesthetic and reconstructive center for all your needs.
Okay, and then you also have the spa. Tell us a little bit about what you have going on at the spa.
Well, the spa was formed in 2002. It was originally called the Ocean of Youth. In 2007, we combined it in with the practice because we wanted more physician oversight, and having 4 board-certified physicians with their knowledge, it just increases the level of treatment we can perform to the patients and the results and outcomes we can achieve.
So why should somebody call Wilmington Plastic Surgery today?
Well, like I said earlier, there's not much we can't do for you. We're not a West Coast plastic surgery center trying to just make you look like somebody you're not. We're looking for natural, beautiful results, and everybody's different. And we've got over 100 years of experience between all the surgeons at achieving those results, and we pretty much are guaranteed to get you to where you want to be.
So what would be the process then if I was interested in having my body looked at Wilmington Plastic Surgery? What do I do? What are the steps I need to take?
Well, the first step is we need to get you in for a consultation and talk with one of the physicians, or if it's a less invasive procedure, talk with one of the estheticians or other providers to discuss what your desired outcomes are. Then from there, assuming we're both realistic on the outcome decision, we'd set you up for the procedure. We'd monitor you closely and hopefully see you back for other services down the road.
Right. Are there different ways to go about making an appointment for a consultation?
Sure, you can call us. One of the easiest ways is on the website. We do have a contact page that you can reach us on. You can call 509-SKIN.
Okay.
That's our national number, or email us, one of the two.
Okay. Now, what would you tell somebody who's interested in getting plastic surgery? What kind of advice would you give them before calling?
Well, I think you need to do your research. You need to make sure you're realistic about your expectations, and always look for a board-certified physician that is capable of handling the procedure for you.
And why is Wilmington Plastic Surgery so great at this?
Well, the surgeons have been doing it a long time. Like I said, we've got over 100 years of experience. They make sure that we stay up on training and stay on top of current trends.
Excellent. To find out more about Wilmington Plastic Surgery, visit one of their local locations or visit their website at wilmingtonplasticsurgery.com.
Everyday people. Everyday beauty. Everyday confidence. Find yours at Wilmington Plastic Surgery.